Huwag bigyan ng airtime ang demonyo. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. Mark chapter 5, verses 1 to 20, and I read it for you. They came to the other side of the lake to the country of Gerasenes, and when he had stepped out of the boat, immediately a man out of the tombs with an unclean spirit met him. He lived among the tombs, and no one could restrain him any more, even with a chain. For he had often been restrained with shackles and chains, but the chains he wrenched apart, and the shackles he broke in pieces, and no one had the strength to subdue him. Night and day among the tombs and on the mountains, he was always howling and bruising himself with stones. When he saw Jesus from a distance, he ran and bowed down before him, and he shouted at the top of his voice, "What have you to do with me, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? I adjure you by God, do not torment me." For he had said to him, "Come out of the man, you unclean spirit." Then Jesus asked him, "What is your name?" He replied, "My name is Legion, for we are many." He begged him earnestly not to send them out of the country. Now there on the hillside a great herd of swine was feeding, and the unclean spirits begged him, "Send us into the swine, let us enter them." So he gave them permission, and the unclean spirits came out and entered the swine, and the herd, numbering about 2,000, rushed down the steep bank into the lake and were drowned in the lake. The swineherds ran off and told it in the city and in the country. Then people came to see what it was that had happened. They came to Jesus and saw the demoniac sitting there, clothed and in his right mind, the very man who had had the legion, and they were afraid. Those who had seen what had happened to the demoniac and to the swine reported it. Then they began to beg Jesus to leave their neighborhood. As he was getting into the boat, the man who had been possessed by demons begged him that he might be with him. But Jesus refused and said to him, "Go home to your friends and tell them how much the Lord has done for you, and what mercy he has shown you." And he went away and began to proclaim in the Decapolis how much Jesus had done for him, and everyone was amazed. Huwag bigyan ng airtime ang demonyo sa inyong buhay. O sa madaling sabi, huwag bigyan ng pagkakataon na makapasok ang kalaban sa bawat segundo, minuto o pagkakataon, sitwasyon o bakante ng iyong buhay. Sa mga pagkakataon po na wala tayong ginagawa, sa mga pagkakataon na tayo ay naiinip, di ba madalas dyan pumapasok ang kalaban? Ikaw ay kanyang tinutukso, sinisilo na gumawa ng isang bagay na hindi maganda, na magdudulot sa iyo upang ikaw ay magkasala. Kaya nga po ang binasang ebanghelyo sa araw na ito ay isang paalala na si Jesus ay makapangyarihan sapagkat maging ang inalihan ng masamang espiritu ay alam niya kung sino si Jesus, na siya ay ang anak ng Diyos. Kaya nga sabi ng demonyo, "Ano ang gagawin mo sa akin? No? Huwag mo akong parusahan." Yan po yung mga winika ng demonyo. Si Jesus ay may kapangyarihan sa lahat. Sa tuwing tayo ay natutukso, Sa tuwing tayo ay nahuhulog sa anumang uri ng kasalanan, tayo po ay humiyaw, tayo ay manalangin, tayo ay magpatulong kay Jesus. Huwag nating bigyan ng pagkakataon ang kalaban na pumasok sa ating buhay. Ating pungpunan ang bawat segundo ng ating buhay ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon at mga gawaing tama, mabuti at makadiyos at kapaki-pakinabang sa buhay. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Jesucristo, turuan mo po na gawin naming wasto at maging wais kami sa bawat segundo ng aming buhay upang kami po ay hindi matukso ng kalaban. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it with your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito o kaya naman po just search Father Fiel Pareha. At kung gusto naman pong maging updated sa ating pagpapahayag, you can join our broadcast channel dito po sa ating Facebook page. God bless you po.